is equal to tan inverse Vn minus 1 by 1 Vn into Vn minus 1. Whenever you have such format, we write as tan inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus xy. We know that tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. And according to this, this is I can write as Pn is equal to tan inverse Vn minus tan inverse Vn minus 1. Now substitute 1 in this. Wherever n is there, substitute 1. Wherever n is there, substitute 2. 3. Likewise, you come substitute. Then this is cancel. This is cancel. All will cancel out. What is remain is here the first term and here the last and here the first. This side one will be remain. So on this concept, they asked the questions on inverse trigonometry. Compulsory question will be there. Mainly on inverse trigonometry. If inverse trigonometry missed out, then sequence series. Sequence series Vn method and this one little small changes will be there. Okay. So can I start the questions? Did you understand? Hello. Hello everyone. Hello. Yeah, understood or not?
Sir, understood.
Very good. Now we'll start the questions. So this is method. I explained this method. Questions. What type of questions will ask? That you have to do. Okay. So first question is. First question. Sigma R is equal to 1 to n tan inverse 1 upon r square plus r plus 1 is equal to how much? Sometimes the question may be, it is infinite also will be there. Both I will explain. Sigma may be have infinite also. Means sigma r is equal to 1 to infinite tan inverse 1 upon r square plus r plus 1. How to find this? Okay. So please note on this. Okay, now I am going to explain it. Okay. Now see this. You know that this is a so r is equal to 1 to n tan inverse. See, the rule for the previous is 1 upon, I should have 1 plus r square plus r. 1 plus r square plus r. So this is I can write sigma r is equal to 1 to n tan inverse. I can write 1 upon 1 plus. This is I can make it factors. R if I take common, r plus 1 I will get. So what I want to make it is the difference of this, the product of this, I will make the difference of here. You know that tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy is equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. This is what I have to make. So the product of this should be, you have to make the difference of the numerator. So I can write as sigma r is equal to 1 to n tan inverse. We can write this one as r plus 1 minus r upon 1 plus r into r plus 1. This is a simple question. I pick up the first question as simple, but it is important. Okay, previously asked JEE question. So sigma, this is I can write as sigma r is equal to 1 to n. According to this formula, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So I can write as tan inverse r plus 1 minus tan inverse r I can write. Okay, did you understand these steps? Everybody, did you understand these steps? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I will substitute T1, T2 like that. Now if I substitute T1, what I get here? Tan inverse r plus I'll get 1. So T2 minus tan inverse 1. R plus I'll substitute 1. So T2 means what I get here? Tan inverse 2 plus 1. It is 3 minus tan inverse 2 I will get. This R plus I am substituting 1, 2, 3 like. T3 if I substitute I get as tan inverse 3 plus 1, 4 minus tan inverse 3. Likewise, I'll get as Tn is equal to tan inverse n R plus 1, n plus 1. N plus 1 minus tan inverse n. See what I am doing here in this equation, in this expression, I am substituting R is equal to 1, 2 like that. Then sigma is nothing but summation. Sigma is nothing but summation. The addition of this total is Sn. That is nothing but summation. So summation of sum of all these numbers. See, tan inverse 2, tan inverse 2, tan inverse 3, tan inverse 3, this back and this back out. Okay, this front, this will be out. So what is left here? Tan inverse, as per the previous I explained, tan inverse n plus 1 minus tan inverse 1 I will get. So summation of this will be how much I am getting? Sn is equal to tan inverse n plus 1 minus tan inverse 1. Tan inverse n plus 1. So this is can be written as tan inverse. Can I write this one as n plus 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus n plus 1 into 1 as a formula, reverse formula. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Finally, you are getting the answer is tan inverse n upon n plus 1 plus 1, that is n plus 2. This is the final answer. So tan inverse n upon n plus 2 will be the final answer. Did you understand? Samarth? Understood or no? I think here online students understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Everybody understood? Now,
Yes, sir.
if suppose the question is given infinity, the question is given, suppose the question is n is equal to 1 to infinity and is asking to find, then what you will do here? You just do here, Sn is equal, this place is then a tan inverse, substitute in the place of n in this equation. This equation substitute infinity. So tan inverse infinity plus 1. Tan inverse infinity plus 1. Infinity plus 1 minus tan inverse 1 I will get. So tan inverse infinity plus 1 is tan infinity. Tan infinity is how much? Pi by 2. Tan 1 is how much? Pi by 4. So pi by 2 minus pi by 4. How much? Pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is again pi by 4. Did you understand? I think you are able to see the board or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello, online? Is it visible, complete board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Any doubts, you let me know. Okay, these questions are important, sir. These model questions are important. I'm going to cover all good questions. Then I'll give homework. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n tan inverse. You have 1 upon r square plus r plus 1. I have to make in the form of 1 plus xy. So I made it 1 plus here rest I wrote r square plus r. Now here I need to make the here factors r into r plus 1. So here x into y on the top I can write as x minus y form. I have to get this form. So I write r plus 1 minus r. So this whole thing I can write tan inverse r plus 1 minus tan inverse r. Now r is equal to 1, 2, 3, like all the terms we are substituting. Then we cancel, we got this. If it is infinity, substitute here only. Directly substitute here. So tan infinity, tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 1, that will be pi by 4. If it is sum they ask, suppose in this question sum they ask. So again you have to apply tan inverse x minus tan inverse 1. So the answer will be tan inverse n upon n plus 2 is the answer. This is there in the option. Okay, clear? Can I go to the next question? Hello? Can I start next question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Someone? Okay, next question is tan inverse 2 upon tan inverse 2 upon 2 plus 1 square plus 1 power 4 plus tan inverse 4 upon 2 plus 2 square plus 2 power 4 plus tan inverse 6 upon 2 plus 3 square plus 3 power 4 plus so and so plus n. Find the answer. Summation. Find the summation of this. Find the summation of this. If it is infinity, you can write for the infinity also. Can I start? Can I start, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You're able to see the board? Can I start it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you have to identify here how the terms are defined. Okay. Now what I write this one as, can I write this one as tan inverse given here? This is very important one. Tan inverse 2 upon. Can I break this 2 as 1 plus 1 plus 1 square plus 1 upon 4 and plus tan inverse 4 upon 1 plus 1 plus 2 square plus 2 power 4 plus this is as tan inverse 6 upon 1 plus 1 plus 3 square plus 3 power 4 plus so and so plus n. Okay. Now I will write this one as tan inverse, the general term that I'll write. Generally I'll write what I am doing, that I'll write. 2 is there, then 4 is there, 6 is there. So it means 2n form. This is there in 2n form.
Yes, sir.
Hello. 2n form. Can I write this is 2n form and 1 plus. Can I write this 1 as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1? Everywhere is 1, 1, 1 only. So format is 1 and this is can be written as n square and this is can be written as n power 4. Can I write like this? So I can write sigma n is equal to 1 to n. Can I write like this nth term n? See, if I substitute 1, 2 into 1, 2 I'll get 1 plus 1. Now if I substitute 2, then I get the second part. If I substitute 3, I'll get the third term. So this is nth term in this formula. So can I write sigma n is equal to 1 to n tan inverse? This one I have to identify, that is 1 plus, what are the factors for n power 4 plus n square plus 1? Do you know anybody? What are the factors of this? Do you know the factors of this one? This is very important for JEE. N power 4 plus n square plus 1. Do you know what are the factors for this? Hello? Do you know the factors for this? Please let me know. Answer it. You know, you don't know. Tell me that one.
No, sir.
Okay, so no, you don't know. So if you don't know, the one thing is whenever n power 4 plus n square plus 1, this is very important one for JEE. The factors are n square minus n plus 1 into n square plus n plus 1. These are the factors for this. So n power 4 plus n square plus 1 factors are n square minus n plus 1 into n square plus n plus 1. These are the factors for this. Okay. So these are the factors that are very important factors you should know. There is a synthetic division method to prove this one. There is another methods also there. Proof I'll tell you in your class because now time waste. Okay. So this is you have to remember. This is golden formula. It is very important for JEE. So this is I can write as sigma is equal to n is equal to 1 to n. I write as tan inverse 2n upon 1 plus this I am writing that is n square minus n plus 1 into n square plus n plus 1. I write like this. Is it okay? Now this is in the form of tan inverse something by 1 plus x into y. If I write x into y, I should get on the top x minus y. So what should I write? Tell me. On the top, what should I write? This is sigma
square plus
n is equal to 1 to n. On the top to get 2n, what should be subtracted from what? N square plus n plus 1 subtracted from this. So can I write as tan inverse? Can I write this as n square plus n plus 1 minus n square minus n plus 1 divided by 1 plus n square minus n plus 1 into n square plus n plus 1, correct? This if you two subtraction n square cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, n plus n again you get 2n, correct? Are you getting it, everybody?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah. So can I make this one? Can I make this one as tan inverse? Can I write this one tan inverse of n square plus n plus 1 minus tan inverse of n square minus n plus 1? Can I write like this? Sn equal to this? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now I can use this is sigma n is equal to 1 to n. Now T1 I use. T1 will be what? Tan inverse of 1 square plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 minus tan inverse of 1 square minus 1 plus 1, that is tan 1. So T2 is equal to what I get? Tan inverse 2 square. 2 square plus 2 plus 1 minus tan inverse. I can write as 2 square minus 2 plus 1. Okay. T3 is equal to tan inverse 3 square plus 3 plus 1 minus tan inverse 3 square minus 3 plus 1. So and so Tn is equal to tan inverse n square plus n plus 1 minus tan inverse n square minus n plus 1. Can I write like this? So here the sum I have to find. Sum I have to find. So you see this, what happened? T2 square is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So this is cancel out. And here this is 2 square is 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Here 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 minus 3, 7. So this is cancel. This one will cancel. And this one will cancel. What is left here? Summation of this total. Sn is equal to, it is left as tan inverse of n square plus n plus 1 minus, I can write as tan inverse of 1, tan inverse of 1, because tan inverse 1 is left. So this is Sn, correct? S infinity will be pi by 4. Sn you can write this one. Still, if you want to write, you can write this is more. If this is one more form, this is the option is there, okay. If still you have one more option, then you can write as tan inverse of n square plus n plus 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus n square plus n plus 1 into into 1, correct? Into 1. This is I can write, so plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Sn is equal to tan inverse of n square plus n upon n square plus n plus 2 is the answer. Did you understand it? I think the question is not able to see. I think complete answer. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Yeah, very good. So some of the series questions will be based on like this. Please note down this. Then I'll explain next question. You can note down, no problem. Note it. What will be the infinite answer? Infinite is the same question is infinite.
Pi by 4.
Pi by 4. See, even though here after coming also, after coming here, you can use the S infinity condition. If I use the limit n tending to infinity, here this value I have to use for limit n tending to infinity. If I use limit n tending to infinity, the coefficient of n square and coefficient of n square, their coefficient will be answered. So 1 by 1. So tan inverse 1 I get. Tan inverse 1 will be pi by 4. You can, by using this also you can do. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes. The previous year question I want to explain. What is there in the okay, sir. Next one. Next question. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n tan inverse 2 to the power of r upon 2 plus 2 to the power of 2r is how much? Sigma r is equal to n tan inverse 2 to the power of r upon 2 plus 2 to the power of r is equal to how much? Let's solve this question. Can I start? Yes, can I start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here this one, can I write this one as sigma r is equal to 1 to n tan inverse. See, this is the thing people will do mistake. This is most important question. People what do they? 2 is there, not 2, they will write 1 plus 1. Like previously I used. That is not correct. Because this is an exponential 2 power r. Let us take 2 common in this. So 1 plus 2 to the power of 2r minus 1 I get. This is the right method. If anybody write 2 as 1 plus 1, it's a wrong method. Okay, that is wrong method. Okay, sigma is equal to r is equal to 1 to n tan inverse. We can write as 2 is send up, 2 to the power of r minus 1 upon 1 plus 2 to the power of 2r minus 1. Now I can write as sigma r is equal to 1 to n tan inverse. I can write as here 1 plus, this is can be written 2 to the power of r into 2 to the power of r minus 1. Can I express like this? Then you know that 2 to the power of r plus r minus 1, again I get 2r minus 1. So I can make the subtraction on the numerator. Did you agree with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello, everybody. So what I can write here on the top? Can I write 2r minus 2 power r minus 1 or 2 power r minus 1 minus 2r? See, if I take 2r minus 2r minus 1, I should take 2r common. So I get as what? 2 power r minus 1 common. So I get here 2, correct? Here I get 2 and minus 1. So I get 2 power r minus 1 into 1. So this 2 power r minus 1 I got numerator now. So what I can write on the top? 2 power r minus 2 power r minus 1. Can I use like this? So this one will give you this result only. I explained here. 2 power r minus 1 I take common. Here is suppose cube, this is power 2. One power is left here. That's it. So we can write like this. So now, according to the tan inverse formula, can I write this one as sigma r is equal to 1 to n tan inverse? Can I write this is as 2 power r minus and tan inverse? Can I write as 2 power r minus 1 here? Am I right? I can write like this. So now substitute what happened? Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, running out of time is saying. So what to do? So just I will explain this sum, then you can again we will log in that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is this you are able to see the board? Ah, yeah. Yeah, T1 I'll substitute. T1 if I substitute, I get as tan inverse, I get as 2 power 1 minus tan inverse, I get as 2 power 1 minus 1. 2 power 1 minus 1, that is 2 power 0. T2 if I substitute, I get as tan inverse 2 power 2 minus tan inverse 2 power 2 minus 1, 2 power 1 I get. And here T3 substitute, I get as tan inverse 2 power 3 minus tan inverse 2 power 3 minus 1, 2. Like that I'll get. So Tn is equal to tan inverse 2 power r minus n, 2 power n minus tan inverse 2 power n minus 1 I'll get. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this previous cancel. So sum is nothing but Sn. Sn is equal to tan inverse 2 to the power of n minus tan inverse 2 to the power of 1 minus 0. That is tan inverse 1 I get. So tan inverse, this is the answer. If you want Sn, then I can write as tan inverse. If anybody asks you infinity, then you get pi by 4 only. But here Sn, then you can write as 2 power n 2 power x minus 1. No? 2 power x minus 1 by 1 plus x into y. Right? This is you are going to get. This is Sn. S infinity will be pi by 4. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. So if I substitute here infinity, 2 power infinity is infinity, tan inverse infinity is pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is pi by 4. Okay, S infinity will be pi by 4. Sn will be 2 power n minus 1 by 1 plus 2 power n into 1. Is it okay? After finishing this, can I restart again? Amit? Or you are going to restart?
Sir, once you restart, then make me host again.
Okay. So can I cut this live?
Sir,
Can
now,
I end this live?
sir, now I will end.
Yeah?
Now I will end.
You will end. Okay.
Yes.
You will end.